Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam, a channel that features only the craziest rule moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll kick this one off with a red light runner who paid a heavy price. Pay close attention to this crazy driver in front of the camera. He has a lot of difficulties in maintaining his lane position, and my guess that he is totally drunk. He is swerving over the double solid yellow line and all the way to the other side of the road without thinking about the possible consequences, and he nearly crashed head-on with the oncoming traffic as well. Driver at the top of the queue was left stranded, and therefore the traffic stop and a huge line of vehicles. Biker, luckily, can filter, and he moved past at the top of the queue to see what was going on. And it was really unfortunate to see that none of these guys wanted to help the stranded driver except the biker.
Πώς δεν περπατάει, το σμπρώξουμε. Αφήστε το φρένο. Ωραία, εντάξει. Όπα. Σιγά, τη μηχανή.
Traffic can be really scary and a dangerous place for a lot of drivers, because nowadays most of the drivers are reckless, impatient and don't pay attention. In this video you will see just some of the most epic fails caught on this driver's dashcam. Drivers not using their turn signals, not checking their side mirrors, running red lights and whatnot. Make sure to pay close attention and try to learn as much as possible out of all these mistakes. Camera got cut off twice in a short amount of time by two really reckless drivers. Even though this crazy van driver noticed the driver next to him, he still decided to indicate and cut right in front of him, forcing the guy out of his lane. Pay close attention at the semi-truck driver and the one behind him. They were both in a straight-only lane, but instead of moving straight, they both turned right and cut the camera off.
Choose your lane! Go Honda! Thanks, Massel. Left turn, regret.
Reversing in the middle of the road is really dangerous and something we never recommend you. This driver did it regardless, just to make a left turn.
I guess you're gonna turn left. Alright, do that. And try not to hit me, thank you. Jesus! Don't cut him off, you dumbass. There we go. Don't cut him off, don't cut him off. You cut him off.
This driver had no idea where he was going, and the camera made sure to keep a safe distance for him to get his mind clear.
What are you doing? Okay, go that way. Somebody's there. Left turn dive. Look close. Ouch! Good move, Ed.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Code on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly support this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.